This video shows how to use advanced record selection options in Surpass Cloud's custom resource reports. See the video, Creating Custom Resource Reports, for an overview of setting up basic custom resource reports. In Custom Resource Reports, Step 2, Select Records, click the Advanced option on the right-hand side of the ribbon. You will be able to choose sort order and include withdrawn items. You can select which fields you want and then define rules for selecting the records. In this example, I want a report that shows total circulation and renewals for items in the regular category. I want to exclude items with 0 total circulation, so I change the settings to include items with total circulation between 1 and 10,000. I chose a high upper number to help make sure that items with a large number of checkouts were included. If I want to add another rule to apply, I can do that by clicking Add Rule and selecting whether I want to include records that meet the conditions of both rules by clicking And, or records that meet the conditions of Rule 1 or Rule 2 by clicking Or. If I want to exclude records that meet the rule or rules, I would click Not. You can also group rules together by using Add Group. You can delete rules by clicking the red X and delete groups by clicking Delete Group. When you are finished selecting criteria, click View Report. Please contact Surpass Support if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching.